Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim at our favorite place, the Diner on 55th.
Can't beat it.
Let's talk about, and we've mentioned a little bit about mediation before, and we were going into some of the financial advantages in terms of cases. Mm-hmm. Why is that? How is it? Let's go through that.
Well, mediation is a process where both sides agree on a particular person to mediate the case.
So we don't go to trial.
You don't go to trial.
Or perhaps we're in trial and we take it out to see if we can get to maybe a faster agreement.
Right. Well, Jason, I recently had a case where someone was killed in a very bad accident, and the insurance company, 2 weeks later, after they found out I was representing the family, called me up and said, Tim, is this something that we can mediate? And I said, absolutely. And we selected a former judge, Cuyahoga County, and he brought the parties together, and I had all my expert reports on lost wages and the medical examiner, etc., and we were able to put the case down and agree to a number, and we sped up the process, and it has to do with time value of money. So if I could settle a case quickly, it's really worth more to my client than resolving a case at trial 2-3 years down the road.
And you were talking about, you know, all the experts and
right.
the calculating, you know, lost time and that kind of stuff, and that's stuff that you take care of as part of the legal process.
Exactly right. But when you go to trial, it's a very, very, very expensive proposition. To try a case is very expensive. So if you could go to mediation for a fraction of the cost and get the case resolved for the same number or in excess of what you think a jury may come back, it works to the client's advantage. It's all about getting cases resolved quickly for top dollar.
And of course, Tim, that leads us to your hashtag, which is?
My hashtag is make 'em pay. Thank you, Jason.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by Misny Law.